Hello, 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 and welcome to another episode of Next Level Slayer. I'm your host, Crystal Lauren, and in this episode, I want to introduce another passive income opportunity to you called Stable Swap. Stable Swap is a platform that does over the counter um, trading, so you can exchange your fiat for crypto, is what they offer, and they also have a liquidity pool that you can earn passively from. You also have the opportunity to earn from affiliate income if you want to build a team. You can deposit crypto into a liquidity pool that has different terms: short term, medium term, and long term. This um, platform is a platform um, that is regulated. Um, it's a regulated platform in the Philippines. They're out of the Philippines is where this company is, and they are partnering. They partner with a company that is also regulated. So when you come on here, you'll be able to check all that for yourself. You can go to the About page and see who they are partnered with and do your own due diligence. But um, I decided to go ahead and join. I saw a couple of um, this, YouTubers did videos on this, and I like what I saw. So um, the minimum to get started is $25, and you can pick which terms you want. So the most popular term is this long-term one for 300 days. Yes, that's a long time to have your money locked up, but you're going to earn 0.35 a day. So you can't take out your deposit, but you can take out what you earn each day. Now, let me go into log in to my back office, and then I can show you guys. Um, Now I started this probably about 4 days ago, and I did do the long term. I came in with, let me put my code in really quick. Came in with $50, but you can come in with as little as $25. All right, so when you come in, you're going to deposit your money first. All right, so this is where they do the crypto swap. You have the ability to swap out crypto for your fiat. So this is the amount, the different fiats that they accept, and then you can pick the fiat that you want to receive. It looks like you can only receive USDT. Exchange it for USDT. If you want to sell your crypto, you can sell your crypto for any of these fiats. All right, so that's what they do. And then the liquidity pool is what you're earning from. So you're going to come in here and you're going to deposit. They only accept USDT or USDC. So with USDT, they accept it in three different networks: Tron, Ethereum, or Binance Smart Chain. So you would pick one of these that you're going to deposit with and send over your crypto. If you want to connect it to your MetaMask, you can do that, or you can pick whatever wallet you want to send it over in. The minimum deposit is $25. The maximum is $100,000. Okay, so the withdrawal is the minimum is $50 to withdraw. The maximum they let you withdraw is $10,000 at a time. I'm not sure if that is 20 every 24 hours. We need to go into the FAQ. You'll need to go into the FAQ if you want to find that out for yourself. They also allow you to do an internal transfer. So let's say I had some money in my wallet that I wanted to transfer over to be able to oh, I'm sorry, internal transfer. It looks like you're able to get money from a person within the platform. I'm sorry, I thought this was something else, but you are able to do an internal transfer. So if someone's in the platform wants to send you money in here, if you guys want to sponsor someone, you have the ability to do that. Also, let me take you over to the liquidity pool. Once you deposit your money, then your money's going to show up in your wallet, and then you're going to go to the liquidity pool and you're going to choose which one you want. So this is the most popular, the long-term one, because you're going to actually they did an increase. It was 0.35 per day, but now they're offering it at 0.45. So sometimes they change this. They give days where they're going to increase it, then they bring it back down. So yeah, so this does happen from time to time. So the shorter periods, you're going to add less, you're going to earn less per day. So this is where you're going to earn more. Now, down here, they're going to show you how many days you have left and how much rewards you have earned thus far. So this is definitely a long-term um, program, and they do have a Telegram um, as well, an active Telegram. So again, this, from what I've seen, the research I've seen, they are regulated. They are um, connected with companies that do remittance. They do different types of things for the business. So nothing is 100% guarantee. Just a reminder, I am not a financial advisor. And so I'm not giving financial advice, but um, this is a platform that could possibly last some time. All right, so this is how many people are in the platform and how much is in the liquidity pool. So the affiliate program, if you want to recruit people, they can share your link and you get about 9% on level 1, 2% on level 2, and 1% on level 3. All right, so you have that option to do that. So I'm going to go back to my dashboard. So this is the dashboard when once you join, this is what you're going to see. You'll be able to track your earnings. If you want to, um, when you earn, when you earn your money, if you have your money sitting in your wallet as you earn, if you earn from affiliate income or as you're earning passively, you can go ahead. Once you reach the $25, you can um, open up and, and provide here. So the minimum is $25. So if I had $25 in any of these balances, I would be able to select those. All right. So this is something that I'll definitely, continue to compound and buy and add more liquidity into it after I take out what I put in and continue from there. So if this is something you want to join, my link is in the description to get started. And yeah, so again, this is something I want to share with you guys. Stable Swap. Um, Again, they are um, a company that is regulated. So, all right, that's it. That's all I have for you. Until next time, I'll see you guys on the next level. Will you be there? I hope so. Bye bye.